we'll start designing the drone. We'll create the geometric model for the different components of the drone assembly. So to start, first we'll create one 3D part. This is for the front arm. We'll give this title. Now we have a new 3D part file. We are in the CATIA part design application. The specification tree is blank. We need to study the drawing, the model which we want to do. So we need to divide it into small steps. It is called as the feature. So first we'll start with this the arm structure, which is having the hexagonal shape as the cross section with these dimensions. Here we are going to take the origin, that is the 0 0. So position sketch in the YZ plane. We are going to use profile tool and start from here. Initial basic shape we are going to create, then slowly step by step we'll give the dimensions with the help of constraint tool. With this point from the origin, which is the distance 35.44 plus 3.07, that is 38.51 around. Then next dimension 152.64, constraint tool to this line, and horizontal dimension horizontal measure direction. This distance is 152.64. Next dimension is 37.75. Here this dimension 20 mm vertical, this from the horizontal reference 20 millimeter. This is not constrained with this one, coincidence. We need to use sometimes these geometrical constraints as well, like coincidence with this horizontal axis, to make the 2D profile as fully constrained, that is called as ISO constraint. After completion of it, we'll exit the Sketcher application to come back to the part design app. Then we'll create one axis system at this point, then position sketch into ZX plane of that axis system to create the cross section, which is the hexagonal. So create one hexagon with some tentative dimension, and then we'll correct the dimension to the required dimension, that is we wanted to make it 12 mm as per our initial specification. Anyway, we can change it at any time whenever we require. So two sketches we have created. Then here we have one tool called as Reap. which requires one profile and one center curve. The profile is this hexagonal sketch and the center curve this profile, so that it will create the first feature. So one solid feature is created. Now once again we'll create the sketch, position sketch, to create the next feature. So for that I'm going to use this plane, horizontal plane, to create the sketch. So like this. Now it is snapping the points, so I need to change some settings here. Snap. Snap to point, I have made it off.